What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to save a message in chat on Snapchat, and once you do this, the message will never disappear and you could always come back and view it. So once you have your Snapchat app open, you're just going to head over to the conversation that you want to save. For this instance, I'm just going to write a simple message just to show you guys how it works to save. But once you have your message, you could just hold down on the message itself, and then you're going to see an option about third down to save it in chat. And as you can see, as I enter and exit the chat, it saves. And you can see it's done by having the little gray box around the text itself. And this will always be saved. Even if the other person wants to unsave it, they won't be able to. You could only unsave it from your end. And then you could always just see messages that you want to save that get sent throughout your conversation with whoever you're messaging with. If you were confused or had any questions on this tutorial, be sure to drop a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.